When emergency vehicles are on the move, precision is key. But sometimes things don't go as planned. From police chases gone wrong to ambulance mishaps you won't believe, these fails will leave you speechless. Get ready for the most unbelievable moments caught on camera.
Back south.
No, we're turning up Pito Magana. Vehicle now westbound on Pito Magana. Second to court.
TDI, here at the intersection, they drove out of it. 1022, we got them here. Hey, go to the other side. Yep, I got it.
From emergency advisory, only about 4 miles away. 3 miles away.
Keep your hands in the air! Hey, move to the back of the car. Move to the back of the car.
¡Ey! ¡No se muevan! ¡No se muevan! ¡Al piso! ¡Al piso! ¡Ey! ¡Ven! ¡Ey! ¡Al piso! ¡Señor! ¡Ven para acá! ¡Hey! Get this guy! In the back, in the back, in the back, in the back! Get him, get him, get him! Hey! Just watch the back. Just let him out. Al piso. Get out of the car! You just ran over my foot. Get out of the car! Stop! Stop! Stop!
Advising GPS and the pursuit was obvious one this time.
$10.50. Senor, you're injured, okay? Siéntate aquí, siéntate aquí, siéntate aquí.
It's 3 impact.
Are they agree on all this place?
It's 315 in Riverbend.
Which operates the entranceway, the old football stadium, your left, Mount Street, or southbound.
The teenagers known for past
And just when you thought it couldn't get any crazier, trust me, it does. We've got cop cars crashing at the worst possible moments, ambulances in trouble instead of saving lives, and drivers who definitely didn't see that coming. Which fail has left you speechless so far? Let me know in the comments. And if you love watching wild moments like this, now's the perfect time to hit that like button and subscribe. We bring you the most insane fails and shocking moments every single week, so stay tuned.
Hit my spot.
Hit another spot. Stop now! Stop now! 768, I'm behind you. We're going to be exiting onto Bayshore Drive. ASU 5215 going through the Washington parking structure. Male black driver with the white wife beater. He's got a flat tire going around past Chubby's Cheesesteak. Speeds are 20. They're going to have to hop the curb to get out here. 768, hop the curb, going eastbound through the lot.
Could I just ask you why you're riding their butt like that and speeding, man?
I'm running his license plate because everybody else is speeding. Why are you speeding?
I was only going 60.
Speed limit's 40. Look at the
50.
signs.
Okay.
Bye-bye. Do
All
yourself
right.
a favor. Oh, give me the weed, too.
No, I have a...
Yeah.
I have a marijuana card.
Step out.
I have a card.
Step out.
All right, stop.
Lunch back. Get me sharp?
No, sir.
Where's the marijuana?
I have it in my car, but I have
Where's
a
the
weed
card?
card. I have a weed card.
6 feet apart. See, the blue car...
That was unreal. Which fail shocked you the most? Drop your thoughts in the comments. And if you love crazy moments like these, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications. More unbelievable content coming soon. See you in the next one.